put Галстян down in parterre. I will be up in parterre. I will be on the offense. Immediately coming out to the side. He's out in front. A lift and a big throw from Beyshekеев.
Blue action.
And a snap down, go behind, and guts. Галстян has 2 points, and he's chipping away at that lead.
Red action.
Oh no, it was 4. Oh, how about that? And now that tight gut wrench for Галстян. He pops his hips, he gets 2. He doesn't go all the way around, but it's definitely 2. And Armenia challenged, and now he's trying to wave it off. Галстян has to go all the way through, and he picks up 2 more. I think Beyshekеев thought he was going to be able to counter, and it's 2 turns for Галстяn, and it's Галстяn in the lead. Beyshekеев trying to free himself. He hasn't been on the podium before, like Галстяn has. Arm spin, trying to come out behind. Галстяn still working on that arm spin. He'll get to 2. Locking in on that left arm. Head in the armpit, forcing Beyshekеев. Hasn't tasted a medal since 2019. And Beyshekеев goes down in a heap, crumpled by Галстяn. And another turn. He's down. They're going to call a fall. Галстяn is a bronze medalist.